So, some of the concerns that I have about the current state of school counseling and psychology program at my local site, I think they're doing a fantastic job. I think they focus a lot on the A through G requirements, making sure students are in the right classes, making sure that they are on the right track to graduate. Um, and reading a little bit of history about the counseling program, I learned that it was mostly focused on vocational guidance, and mainly due to bettering the economy and making sure everybody's going into the right job and helping progress. And now it's obviously moved more to helping students um, kind of plan for a better job and making sure that they're getting that high school diploma. One of the things that I'm a little worried about is personally dealing more with social emotional issues with students, which is something that is not really done at the school that I'm doing my practicum at. And I don't want to come off as somebody that's not working towards the same goals. But given my background, that's something that that I used to do and I enjoy doing. Um, but I might not be doing my field work at that site, so I might end up at a completely different high school that is completely different. From what we've learned, I think everybody can agree that every school is different. Um, they all focus on different things, and I know if I do work at a maybe middle school, I will be dealing more with social emotional. Um, I would also worry about being given administrative duties. I know that sometimes that is done, and I wouldn't want to have to challenge that and say, hey, look at the ASCA model, and this nothing says that I'd be doing administrative work. I'm here to provide guidance for the students, vocational, social emotional, and academic. But those are some of the things which kind of surprised me that those were issues from the beginning. But maybe because teachers and other people, school staff, were taking on the role as a counselor before there was actually the counselor position. And so the lines were kind of blurry, and so everybody kind of did the same thing or helped out. So those are some things that I'm a little worried about entering this field, but I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you.